Hey guys, this is Jesse the Sand Dude Davenport, coming from Guaranty RV Supercenters. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 Arctic Fox. It's a 990. They've been making these things forever. When you come inside this one has the wet bath, and you come in the door to the left of me, the wet bath. Inside you're going to see the counter. This one's got a nice TV inside. It's very open going into the bedroom. This one comes with an air conditioner. It has LED lights inside. It's got the big dinette, a big fridge. The 990s come with it. This one has a generator. And on the outside on it, this one has a slide on that side. There's a lot of things we can go over. They've been making them a long time. If you have any questions there, you can give me a call. My number's on the screen there. My cell number is 541-515-0764. Again, it's Jesse from Guaranty RV Supercenters. Thanks for looking.